Okay, all right. People who are watching our video, we have a concert on date 2 December, which is a very big program we are holding on Mahur. So it will be a Jelangrong concert. So we have local artists also, and also our artists will be coming from Nagaland and Manipur. So we all welcome you all to just come and enjoy our concert. So it's a ticket system. It's not free actually. Our ticket is like standing is 50 rupees.
That
and
venue.
Sitting is 100
That
rupees.
and venue.
Yeah, and VIP is 1000. Actually now I give thanks to all this youth, especially the Mahur unit. They are the one helping each and everything on arranging, management, property, everything. They are the one taking care. Suppose Mahur unit ram lo Swiss sanga. Hai na ju wang lagi kya mai de.
Silchar ke khale di ba. Hey.
Wow. I'm hungry. Oh. So much to all the students of Mahur unit.
Thanks to why na ani ko concert ko di be mo da Jelangrong go tige hai mana chu wang lagi ko la chu pong na ni mai ka nai ram le na wang lu je ta te ko da stage ma ti ma ke mai to mai la te kam leu na Nagaland Manipur ne do singer ram sara ga wang chu pose ne nang ni kang du ku lo han na chu do invite le su do it's not a free entry entry ama ticket li na suppose ne nang ni han na chu invite
So
le
ticket go price
5 PM.
price ranga so
Okay,
detail.
ticket ko price is standing 50 rupees, sitting 100, VIP gula 1000. Chise ani ko ticket go hisab ta available am ticket ta nang kam du kun ne be even family le wang dui Nagaland Manipur gna le singers pang rakho daga.
See there. My tate warm le nam see da. Thank you so much to those who come and also I would like to give thanks to Mr. Serang for arranging a heavy refreshment. So now it's already 2:30. So right now we're going to have a heavy refreshment which is arranged by Mr. Serang. Thank you so much. Yeah, हमारे को refreshment अंगे arrange पे दा. Serang, thank you दोनों.
Thank you.
Friend of Jalukay, I'm coming to see you all. Hi, hello, friends of Senoi, have na? Jalukay hang la, Gary, big la pek mulu za. Finally reached Lamding to go on Jalukay. So right now I'm here in Lamding station.